In this 13-minute video, yes, I'm gonna show you how you can flip cars with no money. My name is Adolfo, and as you guys can see by all of my previous videos, I flip cars full time, and last year I was able to make close to $37,000 in less than 40 hours with what I'm gonna show you guys today. Now you guys are probably wondering, how does this work? How can you flip a car with no money? Well, you're technically not flipping a car. It's actually called brokering a car. And anybody can do this without a dealer's license, and this is actually something that a lot of dealers are looking for, but most people don't offer. Okay, so to break it down in simple terms, the way that it works is, let's say that a dealer has a car listed at $5,500, but you know you can sell that car for $6,500. You will go ahead and ask the dealer to sell the car for them, and they will get their asking price, but you will bring a buyer at $6,500, and everything in between you'll keep as your cut. So you just made $1,000 by simply bringing a buyer and getting the car sold for a different dealer or for a private party seller without ever having to use your own money. Now, I actually do this pretty often. Whenever I see cars that are overpriced and I'm not willing to buy, I would actually offer to broker their cars for them, and I would make anywhere from $500 to $1,500 selling a car that I have no money invested into. And for me, the car can take 2 or 3 weeks to sell, and it doesn't really matter since I don't have my money tied into the car. And for the seller, they're just looking to just sell their car. And the best part about this is that there's no limitation as far as how many cars you can broker. If you have 20 or 30 cars you can broker, you might be capped as far as how many posts you can put on your Facebook account, or you can get listed online, but you will never be capped at how many cars you can broker. So technically, if you can broker 20 or 30 cars in a month, and on average you're making $1,000 on each car you broker, you can make $30,000 in 1 month simply brokering cars. Now, I personally know a couple of people who make close to 10 grand a month simply brokering cars, just because it is super effective. And if you know how to get deals, you don't have to buy these cars with your own cash. You can just broker the cars for the sellers. So now that you guys know how this works, this is pretty much everything that you'll need in order to start brokering cars today. The only 2 things that you need is Wi-Fi and a Facebook account. When I mean this is probably one of the easiest things anybody can do and requires no money, just a little bit of time and research. Anybody can start brokering cars today. And by the way, if you guys do want to reach out to me personally, I will allow you to broker my cars. And if you guys do sell my car, you will make a minimum of $500 by helping me sell one of my cars. So feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram or reach out to me if you guys want to start brokering some of my cars. So now that you guys have an overview on how this works, this is how you guys can actually start brokering cars today, and some of the step-by-steps that you should take if you want to start brokering cars today. Now, the first thing is going to be finding a deal. Now, there's multiple ways that I use to find deals. I run free ads, I run paid ads, I use Swoopla, and I also go to the auction. But you can't broker cars from the auction. You can only broker cars from other dealers, or you can broker cars from the private party. Personally, I would recommend to broker cars from the private party, since you can find better deals on there that will allow you to make more money. Now, the first thing that I do in order to find deals is I use the Facebook Marketplace, and I use something called Swoopla in order to help me find deals as soon as they're posted. So Swoopla essentially is an app that allows you to find cars and get notified as soon as cars get posted on Marketplace. As you guys know, one of the biggest things when it comes down to finding cars in Marketplace is being one of the first people to sell them. Since typically whenever people post really good deals on Marketplace, they will sell within 2 hours. So you have to be really quick as far as going to go see these cars. But since you guys are brokering cars, you don't have to see them. And by the way, down below I'm gonna leave a PDF with a step-by-step pretty much giving you guys some guidance on what you guys should do step by step to start brokering cars. So go ahead and check that out if you guys need some extra help. But just so you guys know, Swoopla is paid. It is a paid app, so it is not free. But if you guys don't want to use Swoopla, you guys can simply go onto Facebook Marketplace and start looking for cars. And you guys can use Kelley Blue Book to check the value of these cars. If you guys see there's a car that's undervalued by $500 or $1,000, reach out to the seller with the free script that I gave you guys down below, and you guys can ask the seller to start brokering their cars. Now, this script that I gave you guys literally works flawless, and I'd say 8 out of 10 times whenever you reach out to a seller, they are more than happy for you to broker their cars for them. So just simply use the script and reach out to the sellers. Now, whenever I get deals off Facebook Marketplace, I always ask all of the sellers to remove the listing, since I am going to put an ad budget on my Facebook listing. Now, if you're somebody just getting started, this might be a little bit difficult just because you will have to send them some sort of reviews. I always send all of my customers testimonials so they know that, hey, this person is legit. Just because if you have a random person reach out to you saying, hey, I can sell your car for you, and then they ask you to delete your listing and they don't have any proof that they can do it, it might sound kind of off. So if you're somebody just getting started, ask the seller if they'll be willing to remove the listing. They probably won't be willing to delete the listing since you don't have any evidence that you have done this before. But as you guys start to broker more cars and you guys start to build up more testimonials, it will become a lot easier for you to get exclusive broker deals where you're the only person who has the car listed and the seller's pretty much relying on you solely to bring a buyer. If you guys want to learn more on how you guys can broker cars, make sure to go ahead and book a free call down below with me where we can hop on a 15-minute call and I can explain everything and answer all of your questions in detail. So yeah guys, book a quick 15-minute call if you guys are interested in speaking with me. And yeah, let's continue with the rest of the video. But once the seller has agreed for you to go ahead and list their car and post their car for them, once you start having people reaching out to you in order to sell their car, you can simply just reach out to the seller and set up appointments based off the seller's schedule. Now me personally, I never go selling these cars and I never deal with any of the buyers. I have the sellers deal with all the buyers. And I've never had any issues, which I know some people are going to be concerned about this. I've never had any issues with any sellers not paying me. Every time that I've brokered a car, it doesn't matter if the car was 2 hours away or if it was 2-3 minutes away, the seller was more than happy to pay me just because I helped them sell their car for a price that they were expecting to get, and I made money because of it, right? So if you help somebody else, they'll be more than happy to pay you, but I've never ran into any issues with any sellers not paying me. And by the way, the most money I've ever made brokering a car was a 2019 Lamborghini Urus, and I made $5,000 in 4 days. When I saw the Lamborghini Urus and I picked up the $5,000, I was like, holy shit. I just made $5,000 in 4 days selling a car that I never seen, never owned or anything. And that's when I realized that I had something. I definitely hope that somebody who's watching this video takes action and takes a step in order to start doing this, because it definitely did help me as far as getting confident and knowing what cars to look for. Also allowed me to test my market. So I got to broker a lot of different cars and I've seen which cars sold fast and which cars didn't, which allowed me to pretty much know which cars I should and should not buy. So if you are somebody just getting started flipping cars, this can be super beneficial, so you don't have to invest your own money trying to figure out which cars sell fast. You can simply broker cars at market value and see which cars sell fast and which cars don't in order to learn your market. That's pretty much the process on how you will broker cars. Brokering cars is super duper simple, like I mentioned. Okay, all you're doing is reaching out to somebody who's selling their car, having them agree for you to sell their car for them. From there, you'll pretty much bring a buyer, and once the car is sold, you get paid. It's a simple 3-step process, and as you guys get better at finding really good deals, it will become easier and easier to broker cars, because you can essentially just broker the best cars at the best price on the market, and it'll be an exclusive deal, which pretty much you can guarantee yourself you'll make at least $500 to $1,000 brokering somebody else's car. So I just wanted to add this into the video. As you guys can see, we have this Nissan Murano. I had one of my friends that he buys a lot of junk cars. He reached out to me. He bought this junk car, and he was originally going to sell it for $400. I told him that I can broker it, and I'll give him $500, and we should be able to sell this car pretty easily for $1,000, if not in a day or two. And this is exactly how you can broker a car. So I should be able to make $500 on this car that I have no money invested into within a couple of days. I mean, this is exactly how you do it, and you can do deals just like this. And as you guys can see, these other cars just behind here, I'm also a broker in these cars as well. So if you add this up, this is $500. This car here, we should be able to make just about $1,500. This car here, we should be able to make just about $700, and this car here, we're gonna make just about $1,000. And these are all cars that I'm brokering and I have no money invested into. And you guys can do the same thing just by using some of the strategies I shared in this video. And yeah, I hope that this helps somebody and somebody's gonna make some extra money by using some of these strategies that I shared in this video. But yeah guys, as I promised in the beginning, in this 13-minute video, you guys have learned how you guys can broker cars and pretty much how this works. If this is the first time that you guys have ever heard about this, do me a favor and like and subscribe, just because I'm looking to be one of the best channels on YouTube when it comes to informing people on how they can get started flipping cars, just because I know what this business has done for me, and hopefully you can do the same for somebody else who's looking to have some sort of freedom and quit their 9 to 5, or just not have to work for anybody else and just be able to do what you like and make money on your own time. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and if you guys enjoy this video, do me a favor and like and subscribe, and we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.